Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey channel. In this Revit 2024 tutorial we are going to show a latest update about bars or ring dimensions. First, change visual style and select 3D bars view. Go to section view. Select Fine. Change Scale View. Click on Edit Type. Here you can manually change hook degree and length. Here 3 soother diameter of bar. Apply and OK it. Select ring. Select bending detail. Move out. Now adding rings hook degree, diameter and arc length. Check to add dimensions. Check hook degree and diameter. Add hook bend and dimensions. Look at that. One by one check it to apply it. Type fraction value. Thanks for watching.